As we all know, the GoPro POV camera is one of the most innovative and feature-rich POV cameras on the market today. And what better way to complement such a device than pairing it with an outstanding and rugged mounting solution like the one provided here by RAM Mounting Systems. Today, we're going to cover the feature and benefits of both the factory suction cup mounting solution as well as other aftermarket suction cups to the RAM patented twist lock suction cup mounting base. The factory mounting solution, as well as many aftermarket ones, are typically comprised of a lightweight and less durable plastic housing and have multiple adjustment points allowing you to get your camera close to where you need it. This particular mount also has a clear PVC vinyl suction cup base on the bottom. The RAM suction cup is comprised of an FAA-approved cup on the bottom, as well as a high-strength composite shell to hold the suction cup. It also has marine-grade aluminum components and nitrile rubber balls allowing for infinite adjustment as well as shock and vibration dampening. For the factory mounting solution, as well as many aftermarket ones, it is typically a two-handed operation to be able to apply it to a surface. For this one, you will stick it onto the surface, you have to depress this button to flatten the seal, and then you would flip the cam lever to create a suction. Even with all the knobs tight, due to the less durable plastic construction, you can see it's very easy for the camera to be able to move around. With the RAM mounting system, you can simply set it onto the surface, twist the lever with one hand, creating your vacuum. Knobs tightened, and you can see a lot less movement in the camera itself when this particular solution is put on compared to the factory or most aftermarket suction cups. Even with both of the mounting bases using the same diameter suction cup, due to the RAM mount's superior design, it creates a larger diameter of vacuum within it than the factory mount itself, thus creating a much more rock solid of a mounting solution. The irony of the factory and many aftermarket mounts is that even though you get multiple knobs to be able to adjust, you actually get less overall adjustment than what you get with the RAM mounting system. For instance, if I wanted to move this camera around, you have one knob here, a second knob to be able to make any sort of adjustment in height, and then finally a third knob up here to be able to get rotation right to left. What happens if I want to be able to spin this camera around to face the other direction? You'd actually have to take your suction cup off, completely disassemble the mount, and go into your bag of other components to create a mounting solution that's going to be able to work for the application. Now, on the other end, if you're going to be using the RAM mounting system, simply by turning one knob on the side, it allows you to be able to reposition the entire mount thanks to the ball and socket, being able to put it in any orientation, whether, say, if you're a motorcycle rider and you want to face the road, if you wanted to face the landscape, or if you wanted to have it pointed at yourself, all can be done with the same mounting solution. And once you have it in that position, simply tighten the knob down and you have yourself a firm mounting point.